Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. I've got another sublimation hack for everybody. For those of you who watch the channel, you know I recently uploaded an insane shirt design, and then I posted options of different styles of it on my community page on a poll so people could choose which design they liked best. So I looked at the poll and the results, and I picked a design to go with, and we are going to use that insane shirt design for this sublimation hack. Now for this sublimation hack, I am going to be using white glitter HTV. We are going to print the design out with sublimation ink and sublimation paper, and we are going to cut the outline of the design on white glitter HTV. We're going to press on the glitter HTV, and then we're going to press onto the glitter HTV the sublimation ink and see how it turns out. I'll put a link up in the corner of the design process for this insane shirt design. I like the way it turned out. It's really neat. So right now I already cut out the outline on the white glitter HTV, and I'm just weeding out the design. What the white HTV weeds very easily. It cut really nice and weeds great. Now this is the brand of white HTV that I used. I'm going to be doing a follow-up video of sizer white HTV, and I'm going to do a comparison of the two different types or brands of glitter HTV and see if one is better than the other. So now I'm just cutting out the sublimation, the printout, and then as soon as I finish cutting this sublimation printout out, I'm going to start pressing it all onto the shirt, and then we're going to find out how well this turns out. Why this is a sublimation hack is because you cannot sublimate on cotton. Cotton will not absorb the color, the ink properly, and it'll, as soon as you press it, you'll notice that it's really dull and not very bright. And then after the first wash or two, the ink will be all washed out. Cotton cannot hold sublimation ink. And another thing is you cannot sublimate on black, and well, you can sublimate on colors, but it's not going to turn out like it would on white. So it depends if you're going for a certain style, if you use like something like gray or pink or red or whatever color you're using. But most people sublimate on just white because first off, when you print out with sublimation ink, there is no white color. So if you have white in the design, you're going to need a white background for the press. And two, the white allows the colors to really pop and be clear, and you see it very nice. So that's why people sublimate on white. Now this hack using white glitter HTV allows you to be able to sublimate on cotton, because you're putting HTV on the shirt and then you're sublimating the HTV. So it allows you to be able to sublimate on cotton and colors and black. So here I am pressing on the glitter HTV. Now the only downside I found with this is I don't know if it's this brand. We're going to test another brand and see if it does the same thing, but the white glitter HTV kind of went a little gray on me after I pressed it onto the shirt. And I don't know if that's because it's on a black shirt. I'm going to have to put the white glitter HTV on a white cotton shirt and see if I get that same results, or see if it shows up white. So we're going to give that a test. That'll be a future follow-up video as well. But for now, we're just going to continue on doing this shirt. So after I get the glitter HTV pressed on, I let it cool off, then peeled the plastic off. And now we are just lining up the sublimation design onto the glitter HTV so that it's properly placed on the shirt over top of the HTV. So once I get it all lined up and all taped down secure, so it's not going to slide around and cause a little mirage effect. Once I get that all taped down, we're going to press it on there for 45 seconds at 360 degrees. And then we are going to get to see the final results. So I just want to take a second to let anybody know if you have any questions about this process, just leave them down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of this hack and this design and how it turned out. And I want to thank everybody that is watching. If you're a current subscriber that supports the channel, I appreciate you. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. You guys, I appreciate everybody that comes in here and hits that like button and supports the channel. You guys are all amazing. So let's get back into the video. We finished pressing on the sublimation ink onto the white glitter HTV, and we're going to see the results. The sublimation ink came out amazing. I really love the glittery effect that this hack has. It's an awesome little effect to have with a shirt depending on the design that you're going for. The only thing I have a problem with this is the white glitter HTV went a little gray. Maybe if I was going for that, I would be okay with it, but I was kind of hoping that it would be white. But the end result's very nice. We're going to give this a try with another brand of white glitter HTV and see how it turns out. The sublimation ink did sublimate onto the glitter HTV very well. Very happy with that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for being here and watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day.